Hello, today I will explain you different coding components of the first Flutter app. So when this is a simple app that displays the message "Hello World" on the screen. But when the app is created in Flutter, most of the components are unclear to the developer. So in this tutorial, I will explain different components of the Flutter app. If you come to the first statement, that is import package Flutter material dot dot. In this line, imports the material dot dot library from the Flutter package. Now, this library provides essential widgets and functionalities for building UI in Flutter apps. And as many of you, since you have worked in Dart, the main function, it is the main entry point of your Flutter application. From here, your Flutter app starts. It is a void function, meaning that it doesn't return any value. Inside it, we have the run app function, which is called when an instance with an instance of my app class as an argument over here. The run app is responsible for starting your app and displaying the UI defined in this my app. Now, when we come to the my app class over here, which is this one defined from here to here, uh, this class represents the root widget of your app. It inherits from stateless widget, indicating that it is a UI that doesn't change dynamically. Uh, and the constructor it has with this constructor, it creates an instance of my app with an optional um, key property. Then we have the build method. Since we have the build method for every widget, this is the core of my app, and it's responsible for returning the widget that defines the UI structure of your app. In this case, it is returning a material app. And what is a material app? It is actually a widget, and it is a fundamental block of Flutter apps that follow material design principles. It has some properties. For instance, it has the title property, which sets the title of the displayed in the app bar. So if you see over here, we have the title over here, Flutter demo. It is the title. Then we come to the theme, and this theme is the property that defines the overall theme and visual style of your app, including the colors, fonts, and other visual elements. And here it's configured to use deep purple color scheme of the material 3 design. And the next thing is the home property, and this property specifies the initial screen or widget that will be displayed when the app launches. And then we come to the my home page class, and this class represents the home screen of your app. It inherits from stateful widget, indicating that your UI can change based on the user interaction or internal state updates. This why we call it as stateful. Now the constructor has a title parameter which is used later, and the create state method over here, it is called whenever a new instance of my home page is created. It returns an instance of its corresponding state class, and that is the my home page state. Then we come to the my home page state over here, and it is a private class that manages the internal state of the home page widget. it inherits from the state class, essentially linking it with the my home page. Similar to my app, it has a built-in build function, since this is the main function which is included with every widget. And inside it we have a scaffold. It is returning a scaffold widget. What is a scaffold widget? It is a basic layout structure for most of the screen in the material app design. It has certain properties, like we have an app bar property, and then we have the body property. These are the two main properties that we usually use. So if you see your app, this is the app bar over here, and over here we have the body. So sorry. Now this app bar, anything in the app bar, it is displayed over here. This is the app bar, and we are instantiating an app bar with a background color and title, and the title is taken uh, from the constructor, which is over here. We are passing it to the home page, which comes over here in the constructor. And then we have a column, and in this column we have some children. We have only text. We have only one child, that is the text widget, which is this one, uh, that displays a hello world message on the screen. So this is all about the coding of your first app. So if it is confusing to you, then this is the explanation, and this is how the app works. So any programming or any widgets that are developed by the developer, she only needs to come to this my home page state class and make changes to the required changes over here, and these changes are then reflected in the screen. So this is all about the coding of the first Flutter app. Thank you very much.